Hi everyone, welcome back to Brazen Group. In today's video, we are going to talk about Agentforce business scenario. This scenario is going to revolutionize the way Salesforce admin work. So this is about creating a record in Salesforce. David is a Salesforce admin at Brazen Group. Every time a new contact needs to be created, he has to manually create the contacts by populating all the fields. David wants a tool that can do his task based on a few commands, that too in natural language. The problem here is manual record creation takes more time and effort, too much navigation, creating accounts, go to related objects, and then create contacts, increased chances of error. So what is Agentforce? Agentforce is a context-aware, process-driven, and deeply integrated chatbot to your Salesforce system. It is capable of taking decisions. It's your digital command center. It's where policy management, lead tracking, client servicing, and renewals all come together, backed by the reliability and security of the Salesforce platform. It's not a typical chatbot or static support system. Conventional chatbots can only handle basic scripted tasks. Agentforce, on the other hand, is context-aware, process-driven, and deeply integrated with your actual Salesforce data. It understands your workflows, speaks your language, and automates complex tasks in real time. Think of it as your digital assistant, one that knows your book of business, understands regulatory needs, and helps you stay proactive, not reactive. So let's go to the use case. First of all, to create a contact using Agentforce, we need to create a auto launch flow. So this is auto launch flow. Here we will have two variables, and always remember to add the mandatory fields. So last name is the mandatory fields for contacts. So I've created two variables to populate the contacts from Agentforce. The first one is first name and the second one is last name. Always remember to make it available for input. And at the end, when the contact is created, I'm getting record for the recently created contact to show it on the UI or in the chat. Now, let's go to setup and search for Agentforce agents. Then go to the default agent, click on Open in Builder. So always remember that you cannot make changes to any active agents. So always remember to deactivate it. Now we'll create a topic. Each topic has action associated with it. So let's add the flow we created. I'll go to the topic. This topic actions, add from asset library, and create contact. So this is the flow we created. Let's show you the details of the action. So the name of the action, what are the required fields for input, collect data from user for first name and last name, and show the output in the chatbot. Now I'll click on activate. I'll refresh the page. Since our agent is now active, we can interact with it. This is the agent. This will also show the details of the created context so that we can navigate and check. So this is how Agentforce can automate these things, and this is like flawless. It just takes seconds to create records. You can add additional fields here, but you need to add that in the flow. So that is one time, but this can help admins save a lot of time and unnecessary navigation. Now, so let's understand the business impact. Manual data entry for contacts after account creation is repetitive and time consuming. With Agentforce, David can create fully populated contacts in seconds just by writing a prompt. Reduced error and improved data quality. Manual data entry often leads to incomplete or incorrect records. Agentforce uses guided AI-driven prompts to ensure all required fields are captured, reducing the mistakes. Increased productivity for admins. Admins like David no longer spend hours on repetitive tasks such as contact or account creation. With automation through Salesforce, they can focus on higher value activities like system optimization, process optimization, reporting, and user support. Faster onboarding for new team members. This is a game changer for new team members. Even non-technical users can create records with simple commands. New employees don't need to memorize the Salesforce page layouts, the buttons, their uses and all. They just need to tell Agentforce what they want to get done. Consistency across the system. Standardized record creation ensures that accounts, contacts, and related records follow organizational data standards every time, reducing the need for cleanup later. Scalable for future growth. As an organization grows, manual processes become a bottleneck. Agentforce ensures record creation remains fast and scalable, supporting business expansion without additional administrative burden. In short, Agentforce reduces the time, manual work, faster operations, more accurate data, data accuracy is increased, and happier users. So in short, Agentforce transforms Salesforce from a tool people use into a tool people talk to. This is all from us. Thank you. And please reach out to us for your Agentforce implementation at hello@brazengroup.com. Thank you and have a good day. Be bold, be brazen.